Ni hao, marhaba. From the World Exhibition Trade Center, we welcome you at our CHINT booth. My name is Mouni. I am the responsible for CHINT business in United Arab Emirates. Today, I am going to take you through a journey to show you very few samples belonging to our huge range of products. We are the original equipment manufacturer of the electrical equipment and components. Our entire range is manufactured as per the latest technologies and sustainable for carbon-free emission in order to secure better future for the coming generation. So today we have also a lot of surprises. One of them is to expose our fully type tested solution low voltage switchgear, so from different rating. I will let you discover more about our type tested solution as per IEC standard by my colleagues. We'll start by Victor, who is handling the main distribution board. He will let you know about the name of our panels and then more about the features, which is as per the GCC requirement and IEC standards. Hello, Victor.
Hi, Mania.
How are you?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
Welcome to Dubai. Welcome to UAE.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Victor from CHINT Group, the product manager of the low voltage products. Welcome to CHINT. Okay. Thank you.
What you have today, I can see very beautiful panel. Please let us know about this machine, about the wonderful machine.
Yes, okay, you can see this is our new type of the MDB, main distribution box, named as EnergiX. Yes. Today we bring the 3 panels here. One for incoming, second is for the feeders, power feeders, and the third one is for the MCC, motor control centers. 3 panels here. Also, if you ask what's the new, you can see here. Here is some brief introduction for our EnergiX-M. Firstly, our products follows IEC here, IEC 61439-1 and -2. Also, these panels, we got the certificate, DECRA certificate. We test it in UAE and Europeans by DECRA teams. Okay, today we finished the test 1,600 ampere and 4,500 amperes and 3,200 amperes. Also, we had the plan to extend this current up to 4,000, even 6,300 amperes. Yes, this is a plan. Also, here is the parameters. Internal separation form 4Bs to keep the users' safeties. Also, because according to some elemental in Middle East, the temperature is more than 40 centigrade. So these panels for the reference temperature up to 50 centigrades with any deratings. And for the IP, these panels up to IP54. Yes, it can used in some wet and dusty elementals. Yes, this is our new MDBs. Also, we had other features. Yeah, this is some other features. Some anti-matic design. Also, this design for CHINT, these are our own designs. Also, we get some patents. We got these patents for CHINT MDBs. Okay, you can see these panels. And this is our intelligent panels. Each panels, we had the communication connected to this HMI, This HMI can control ACB, MCCB with motor. MCCB, yes, here can control it. Also, it can control contactor, motor protector, even VFD. Yes, to increase this intelligent. Okay, thank you. This is our MDB's EnergiX X series. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Our main distribution board name is EnergiX. Please retain this. We are coming, and thank you so much, Victor, because with this type test solution, we are very confident with the business now, because it's like the main requirement of the region. Now I have a question. How many type tested system is ready for the main distribution board?
Yes, for this one, yes, as said before, yes, for us, this we got the 1600 ampere and 2500 ampere and 3200 ampere. We got it by DECRA teams. Yes, it tested in UAE and the Europeans. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, this is actually very good news for the UAE market and GCC market as well. So now we are going to pass to the other part of the low voltage switchgear, which is related to the sub-main distribution board and then the final distribution board. I will let you know more about these items as well, about this low voltage switchgear item, which will be handled by my other colleague. Hello.
Hello, Ms. Monia.
How are you, Sultan?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, fine. So, Sultan, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sultan Ahmed, and I'm the projects lead in UAE region. Today, I'm going to demonstrate you about our two major products. It is SMDBs and DBs. So first, I'll discuss about this SMDBs. SMDBs is fully type tested with ambient temperature 50 degrees with IEC standard 61439, and it is tested up to 800 amps, which is starting from 250 amps. We have three ratings type tested with IEC standards, that is 250 ampere, 400 ampere and 800 ampere. So here is the design. We have designed with fishbone type bus bar, which you can easily mount a breaker and dismantle it easily. So this is our design, and it is tested up to 800 ampere with the short circuit of 40 kA per 3 seconds. And this design is a special design and which is very reliable because it has a very spacious rooms for the termination of cables, and it has two bars separated, which is one neutral and one is for potential earthing. So it is a very special design for this region as well as for all the GCC region actually. So now let's talk about our distribution board as well. Our distribution has two types of designs. This is a way type, and we also have split type of design. So this distribution board as well, it is type tested with two ratings actually, 125 ampere and 250 ampere. It has ways up to 48 ways starting from 12 ways. So we have tested with all the different ways type, and this is also tested with the ambient temperature of 50 degrees and with IEC standard 61439 as usual. So also same like SMDB or DBs is also provided with spacious rooms for the termination of cables. As you can see here, there is enough space for the termination, so it will not have any major, and because of our compactness in the breakers, there will be enough room for the termination. And as you see, there are two breakers, like two bars here separated from each other, and one is for earthing and one is for neutral, which is separated, which is not the same. And so it is very special design. And the best part of our DBs and SMDB is that we can mount a breaker, like the termination of cables can either from top or from bottom. It has two options. You can mount the breaker either in the top or in the bottom. So this is mainly the best feature for SMDBs and DBs as well. So, Ms. Monia,
thank you so much, Sultan. Can you please tell us more about the rating which has been type tested?
For SMDBs, we are type tested with three ratings, which is 250 ampere, 400 ampere and 800 ampere for 40 kA for 3 seconds short circuit.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the FDBs?
For FDBs, we tested with 2 ratings. One is for 250 ampere and one is of 125 ampere. And it has 2 designs, by the way. This is a way type, and we also have split type of DBs as well.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sultan.
Most welcome,
Thanks
Ms.
a
Maya.
lot.
Thank you so much. Have a nice
Yes.
day.
So, what we can say is that the SMDB and final distribution board as well, we are getting the same series name, EnergiX. So, EnergiX is the name of our total low voltage switchgear solution, type tested as per the IEC standard, and only the difference is in the name is about the range. For MDBs, it is EnergiXM. For SMDBs, is EnergiX, and then for the final distribution board is EnergiXF. So now we are going to talk more about the smart building power distribution system. So here we have today with us, present in UAE, our colleague coming from Saudi. His name is Noman. Please introduce yourself.
It's me, Noman. I'm project engineer from KSA team. So today I will briefly discuss about smart building system distribution system. So let's start. Have a look.
Please.
We have complete solution from upstream to downstream. We have fully type tested panel of MDB, SMDB and final distribution. So we are already type tested MDB on 50-degree ambient frame, which is specialized for especially for the GCC, where is the ambient temperature is more. So our all product which we are using in the MDB and SMDB and FDB also fully tested 50-degree. So here we have the range of ACB. It's already 50-degree tested. We have 3 ranges available in ACB. We have MCCB and MCB, which is used in final distribution at SMDB and MDB. We have complete solution of capacitor banks. We have detuned reactor. We have ATS panels, especially from source to generator. If somebody wants to shift from source to generator, we have one module ATS. No need to put the breakers, motor like other brands. We have compact design. Everything is available and tested. We have complete solution related to the motor control center, which is overload relay, contactor, isolator, everything is available. The newly launched, we have NB3LE arc flash detection device. Before we have only the RCBO and RCCB. We put one extra feature in this one, which is related to the arc fault. It's very useful in the building and especially for the residential sector, where not too much people for the maintenance and nobody knows about what's going on in the circuit. Arc fault detection, especially when any loose connection or wire broken in the circuit, it will detect before the fire. It's very useful item, especially in the residential, but you can use in commercial everywhere. So this is the total portfolio for the low voltage distribution. And as I mentioned before, we have complete range from upstream to downstream.
Okay, thank you so much.
Well,
can you tell us more about the arc circuit? Do you have any?
Yeah, we can demonstrate also.
Please?
Okay. So we already set the readings. So we will just select the mode first, mode 4, operations. We will set the rating up to 150 because this is the tester we made especially to show to our customer. When the arc will happen here, the breaker will detect what is the rating of the arc it's coming. If there is a false rating, little bit leakage of the current, it will not trip. But if it will give the big arc or something circuit is disconnecting, it will trip the breaker directly. Now it's already done.
Yes.
So this is the very useful item.
Fantastic. Very useful, and also because we care about the safety of our customer. We care about how much is important to give them like safe life and then in good environment for living. So this is the beauty of our CHINT range of products. We don't have only one circuit breaker. We have a multiple circuit breaker. Let us say air circuit breaker. We have a multiple as well range of the MCCB molded case circuit breaker, and then even all the complete DIN range is available with us, with different also model and different items, different features as well. So after the smart building, now we are going to talk about the intelligent power distribution. So as I was mentioned already, that we have multiple molded case circuit breaker, which is part of our switchgear system. We are going to talk more about our MCCB, one range of them. I will let my colleague Hani tell you more about this range. Hi Hani, how are you?
How are you?
Please introduce yourself.
This is Hani. I'm working as a business development and prescription specialist. Today we are going to talk about the MCCB, mainly on NM8N. We have a lot of MCCBs, but today we are going to talk about NM8N. So the features of NM8N, the rated current is starting from 16 ampere up to 1600 ampere. And we have the operational voltage up to 690 volt. And the installation voltage it's up to 1000 volt. And also we are going to talk about the ICU and ICS. ICS equal ICU 100%, which is up to 150 kA. And we can use this breaker for AC and DC. And we have two types of this breaker, electronic type and thermal magnetic type. Electronic type, it will come direct with the LCD monitor, and we can check everything through the screen. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think you have something related to the automation about the DIN rail.
We have a new product here, a new modular here. So we are going to talk about this modular. So we have the new modular here. We can use it as instead of the FDB. So we can use it through the iPad or phone or anything. You can use it. Wi-Fi, okay. If you will check this one, we will go for this breaker. Okay, we have to switch on the breaker. The breaker is switch on direct. If you would like to go to another breaker, it will work direct. We can switch off the breaker. So also we have historical fault. If there is any problem with this breakers, we can check what's the problem on which breaker, and if there is leakage fault or something, or overload or short circuit, we can check through the application. Also we can measure the energy consumption. So energy consumption of each breaker. So we can check everything for each breakers. The consumption of main switch of bedroom or bathroom or anything, what's going on. Also we have here data analysis, so we can check everything what's going on. This one, how it's work. This one, it will connect to gateway. Gateway, it's connected to the each breaker with control wire. Okay, and this breaker will send a signal to the iPad or the iPhone or your iPhone or something like that. So you can connect it by your data, 4G or 5G, or you can connect it to the Wi-Fi. That's it.
Thank you so much, Hani. It was awesome.
Thank you very much.
So this is CHINT actually. Intelligence, smart. This is our objective. We are here. We aim to deliver whatever is smart, to be connected with the IOE system, and then so in order to be in line with the latest technologies as well requirement. And then specifically for this region, we can talk about the vision of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, so which is also about good environment, fine environment, smart system. So after the low voltage switchgear parts, we are going to discuss more about the our solar system, and T&D, transmission and distribution. So we are here in the solar division, which will be hosted by my colleague Sarah. Hi Sarah, how are
you?
Again,
hello,
one more hack today.
Okay, hello Munia, thank you.
Yes, Sarah is our guest from headquarters, from China. So she will tell us more about the solar system and then the complete range, what we are supplying to the market.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Sarah Zhang from Global Marketing Department. This time we are bringing more solutions from utility, commercial, residential, and to the solar wind storage solutions. Here is our residential solutions. We have the on-grid solution, off-grid solution, and the hybrid solution. We can use the idle areas of the roof and coupled roof to install our solar modules, then provide the new energy to our customers. We also have the streamlined solutions. here is our commercial and industry solar solutions. And this model adopted diesel solar solution technologies. And we also use the carport rooftop to install our modules, then provide the green energy to the commercial, to the industry. This is our main product, 275 kilowatts string inverter. It has 12 MPPT, and each MPPT has two inputs. The output voltage is 800 volt, and it commonly used in the medium or high voltage solar plant. Okay.
Okay, Sarah, thank you very much. Sarah, can you please list us the complete range of product of solar project we are supplying? So rather than the PV cell, whatever we have else than the complete range, please.
CHINT is a total solution provider. We can choose the solar product. You can see all of the product, from the solar modules to the inverter, including the low voltage switch gears, transformer, medium voltage switch gear, substation, as well as DC and AC cable. CHINT can also provide all of those products. We can extremely control the quality, performance, and the price and the supplement. We can provide the better solutions for the customers.
Thank you so much. And how many gigawatts we have already supplied to the market, to the worldwide market? Total?
Right now, we are complete more than 8 gigawatts.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is part of also our huge range. So now we are going to talk about our T&D system, transmission and distribution. Before transmission and distribution, we are going to talk a little bit about the green world. So what CHINT can provide as solution. So not only product, but also solution. So we are existing since 1985. We have 37 years old, but among to this one, we have created, so it has been created another division, which is the integrated energy services. This will be integrated, this will be introduced by my colleague, Ayman. Hi, Ayman, how are you?
Hi, Munia, how are you doing?
Good, fine.
Good.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, so my name is Ayman. I am the sales specialist of OEM segment in this region. And today, I would like to explain to you about the integrated energy services. So as you know, the developed countries are aiming to change their traditional method of power generation in order to increase the green energy. And that's why CHINT is there. CHINT Energy has accomplished the innovation and development in order to lead the market and in order to be superior. So let me explain to you about our services. We can basically provide, as a complete service provider, we can provide 3 different stages. The first stage is prior to product supply, which includes design, engineering, and consultation. In the mid stage, when we provide the products, we provide installation, supervision, and consultation. After the supply of product is done and the execution of the project is established, we can provide also the consultation, planning, and maintenance and operation. So basically, our target users are commercial, industrial, governmental, and residential. So that's why in 2006, CHINT Energy was established. And since these 16 years, CHINT history was full of accomplishments and achievements. So we have done around 600 mega projects in more than 50 countries around the world with more than 8 gigawatt capacity. And also I would like to mention that our power capacity production per year is around 12 gigawatt. So here is some references in Australia, Africa, North America, Asia, and Europe.
Okay, that's awesome. What is our capacity of production in terms of solar equipment
12 gigawatt per year.
per year?
Yes.
And how much we have already supplied?
We have supplied around 8 gigawatt so far.
Excellent. So still we have a chance, still we are growing actually. This is the beauty into CHINT. So we are providing, we are manufacturing solutions and then product which can be suitable for all kinds of market requirements. So after the green world, now we are going to have a look in our metering division. So this division will be introduced by my colleague Hassanin. Hi Hassanin.
Hello,
How are you doing? Please
perfect.
introduce yourself.
My name is Hasnan. I am the distribution head for the UE sector. Well, after your successful tour of the power distribution network, you must be thinking what services CHINT can offer after the electricity is delivered at your door. The answer to it is AMI, Advanced Metering Infrastructure. When we talk about meters, they are the pioneers in the wave of digitalization. You can realize line loss management, energy efficiency, demand management, and energy saving from the meters. As the technology have advanced, so does the meter, and jumped up a level to smart meters. CHINT is able to offer the complete solution from AMI systems, end-to-end solutions in our portfolio. If we talk about smart meters, I would like to show you our CHS 120. This is a smart meter combining with the standard of IDIS standard protocol, having the encryption algorithm of AES 128 for secure data encryption. If we talk about numbers, CHINT have supplied 3.5 million electricity meters in 30 countries and regions, and 6.5 gas meters of more than 30 countries. And moreover, talking about the meters, it not only help us from our conventional way, smart meters also help us change of doing the way of doing our business. I
Okay.
hope
Thank you.
that's nice.
So how I can see like there is different models here.
Yes, this is the smart meter.
Okay.
This is the RS meter. And this is our collaboration with Linky.
And we have only these three? Or
No,
do
we
more?
have gas meters,
Okay.
water meters.
Okay.
So on display is electricity meters as of now.
Okay. And can you tell me more about the features of this electronic?
We have launched a very smart feature this time.
Okay.
That is Go CHINT app.
Okay.
You can open up the app. This we are promoting to our clients. You can go to product.
Okay. Then product identification. Then you scan the product model and press on scanning. So it's data uploading. Okay. So here is this module and the other similar modules. So this is CHS 120. This is 120. You press, and then you can open the catalog, overview, manual, certificate, and row.
You can get all kinds of information through our website, through other catalogs, and through whatever distributor we have, like partner in the market. Thank you so much, Hassanin, for this one. And from the metering division, we are going to have a look also in the final section, which is section number 8 from our CHINT booth, which is T&D, transmission and distribution. So from this division, we will let you know about our product range and then divisions from my colleague Tariq, which is also our guest from KSA, from Saudi Arabia. So Tariq, hi and welcome to Dubai.
Good morning.
Thank you very much for supporting us in this event.
Thank you. It's
Please
my pleasure.
introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. This is Tariq Wahdan from CHINT KSA sales team. Actually, we are here today to present you one of our products, medium voltage products. As you can see here, we have a wide range of medium voltage products like the insulator, suspension insulator, medium voltage fuse Catalogue for 13.8 and 33 kV, surge arrestors, live tank circuit breaker, and We have GIS till 252 kilovolt. Also dry type transformer, medium voltage switch gear, high voltage capacitors, CTBT till 220 kV. Actually, CHINT is producing a wide range of medium voltage and high voltage products, but the most recently one is the smart RMU. Here we can see our smart new RMU, which is produced especially for the Saudi market, as per the Saudi Electricity Company, standards. Our smart RMU called NG7. NG7, it's our series in the smart RMU. Its service voltage is 13.8 and the maximum operation voltage is 17.5 kilovolt. Our RMU can work as indoor and outdoor RMU, 3 ways, 4 ways RMU. Here we have the 3-way RMU. We can see here it have 2 load break switch and 1 circuit breaker. So the T off will be the circuit breaker, SF6 gas insulator circuit breaker. The load break switch rating is 200 ampere and the other one is 200 ampere and circuit breaker rating is 400 ampere. The amazing thing here that the short circuit current in 1 second it will be 21 kilo ampere. Also the arc fault short circuit current it will be 21 kilo ampere in 1 second, just in 1 second. Here the cable compartment. This is a control unit for the RMU. Here is the operation area for the load break switch and circuit breaker. Actually, the difference between the smart RMU and the conventional one, we can find it here in the control unit, and here in the cable terminals you will find CT, VT sensors here for the T-off circuit breaker, and we will find here also CTs on the load break switch incoming and outgoing cables. These sensors and CTs giving the reading to the RTU, remote terminal unit. So the remote terminal unit now is responsible for collecting the data and the measurement from the sensors here and send it to the control center through the 4G router. The 4G router is working with the RTU to send the data to the control center. Also here we can find the protection relay and the earth fault and short circuit indicator here, and here the voltage indicator for each the load break switch and the circuit breaker. Also we can find inside this part the batteries, lithium ion batteries, 24 voltage DC, and the DC charger here. So we can it work through the line cable to 220 through the DC charger to the DC battery. Okay. Also here we can find the earth test, which also is mandatory for the Saudi Electricity Company. Here for the load break switch and the load break switch. The 2 load break switch has the mechanical interlock between the load break switch and the earthing. Also here has mechanical interlock, and for the circuit breaker we have mechanical and electrical interlock. Okay. This RMU can work local and remote. Local mean what? The door, we remove the door just to show you the inside the RMU, but the door we will find push buttons and indicator lamps and 1 selector switch for local and remote operation. For local operation you can work and maintain and doing whatever you need for the RMU. You can also operate the circuit breaker and load break switches locally, as they have motor beside them. Even if we select the remote position will enable the control center to control the RMU, fully controlled for the remote for the control center. So that's all.
Thank you so much, Tarek. Thanks a lot. So NG7 is the name of our ring main unit, and it is 17.5 kV. So this system, this ringman unit is type tested just recently to be in line with Saudi requirement, with GCC requirements. So now I will have a question to my colleague, Mr. Andy. Mr. Andy is the head of T&D division. So, Mr. Andy, please introduce yourself.
Yes, this is Andy from CHINT Middle East. I'm responsible for the T&D business in the Middle East region. Yes.
Okay, so we have type tested recently the RMU 17.5 kV, right?
Yes, for this RMU, we already sent one sample from China to Riyadh for the local testing. It's, hopefully we will finish the test within 2 or 3 days. And also in the meantime, we sent it to the Netherlands test lab for KEMA type test. Hopefully we'll be finished within 4 or 5 months.
Awesome. And is there any also plan for our UAE region requirement? Because here we have mainly requirement of 11 kV. Please tell us more.
Yes, for our sales department, we will feed back all market demand and informations to our marketing and R&D center, and we'll evaluate the feasibility report, make a report to our marketing department. For sure, if the market is too much to support the R&D investment and also the cost and the margin is good, we will do the R&D.
Awesome.
Yes, same as this RMU in Saudi process.
Okay, so those are only like few samples from our entire range. Can you please tell us more about the, let us say, 11 kV high voltage range, what we have?
Yes, for RMU, this product, we have different range levels. In order, as you know, we are doing the Middle East business. We can special design the voltage according to the local standards. For example, in Diva, they have 11 kV and 22 kV. So we have, but in Saudi it's 70.5 kV and 33 kV. Also we have. So for the range is from 11, 30.5, 22, 33, and 30 and 40.5 kV. Different types we have. Yes.
What about the high voltage?
For high voltage, for transformers, we can manufacture up to 750 kV, and for the GIS, gas insulated switchgear, we can also produce up to 230 kV.
Okay, that's awesome. Yes. And how many years we CHINT started the production of this T&D?
For T&D, we enter this field since 2004. The factory is located in Songjiang, Shanghai. And also in Middle East region, CHINT, we supplied more than 400 base GIS to Kuwait market, and we are the first and the unique Chinese manufacturer to supply so much quantities products to the networks, the utilities of Kuwait government. Yes.
That's because we are Chinese and we have high quality.
Yes.
This is the association with our CHINT name, actually. Yes. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And this is the beauty of CHINT. So it is young company comparing to other competitors. But even though with that very small age, we could compete and we could access and we could take more and more of share markets, either from Asia or from GCC. Now we are very active into GCC and we are very aggressive with more and more client achievements. We also have some share markets in Europe. So this is CHINT. We have the complete range, we have the complete cycle of power production from energy generation, energy transmission, transformation, energy transportation, energy distribution, until the final utilization. So thank you so much for being with me within these few minutes, and I welcome you to our CHINT booth. We are here present till tomorrow. So we started yesterday, 7, 8, and 9th of March. We are present at Dubai Exhibition Center, and we are at all number 8. Thank you so much and welcome.